Nouns in English by Guruji'S English. Do you think you have a good sense of English vocabulary? In today's lesson, we will learn about nouns with some examples. 1 mark for each correct answer. All the best! The books are lying on the table. The nouns are books and table. He is eating his lunch. The noun here is lunch. John is playing. The noun here is John. Monica is preparing food. The nouns are Monica and food. Janice is laughing. The noun here is Janice. They are painting their house. The noun here is house. Kajol is shopping. The noun here is Kajol. Taj Mahal is in India. The nouns are Taj Mahal and India. They are going to a party. The noun here is party. Janet is singing. The noun here is Janet. The maid is mopping the floor. The nouns are maid and floor. The students are taking their examinations. The nouns are students and examinations. How did you do? Leave a comment with your score. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to receive regular updates on our videos.